Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I color my natural hair without using any bleach or any hair dye. I seen a YouTuber by the name of Roxy Bennett do this method, so I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Magic Root cover-up spray. It is in the color red. I did do a test patch on my head and the color didn't really look red, so I have a couple of different options because I'm going to do a bun with this. So I have a couple of different color options that I'm going to try. So I'm just going to start by just spraying this all over my head. My hair is already molded up into the bun that I'm going to put it in. So if you are doing this, I recommend that you style your hair first and then spray it. Instead of like spraying it on your hair and then trying to style it. This spray does get a little messy. Like, it was on my neck, I had to go and clean it off, and yeah, it gets messy. So I recommend styling your hair first and then spraying it. The back was really hard to do just because like I couldn't see and I kept missing areas. So take your time. Yeah, and don't wear any good clothes while you're doing this. Yep, got my neck. So as you can see, it's not exactly red. However, you do get a pretty good color payoff. You can still see the top part of my natural bun that hasn't been colored compared to like the parts that's laid down. It is a nice pretty brown Auburn color. So yeah, it's not red, but the color payoff, I was really surprised. So now I'm going to try to find some hair to match this. So this first hair is from the Curl Refinery. It's in the color number 4 from a leftover goddess lock install I did. And then I have some other like Marley hair that's like a 1B mix red that wasn't really working. And then I had like some red that definitely wasn't going to work. So I decided to go with the number 4 hair from the Curl Refinery, and now I'm just going to start putting my hair into a bun. I wear buns all the time. You guys have probably seen me twist my hair up in a bun, so that's what I'm doing here, just twisting it until I can style it, get it styled the way that I want. And I was struggling a little bit getting this bun positioned how I wanted, so I just stopped and went on to my baby hair. So as far as the spray, I did kind of spray it on my edges, but I think if you're scared to get it on your face, just get as close to your edges as possible, and then as you kind of brush and smooth your edges and lay them down how you want it, the spray will kind of bleed into those edges. So if you can't get the spray like all the way on your edges, it will eventually kind of just spread down into them. So after I finally got my bun positioned to my liking, as you guys can see, the extensions in my real hair, the color is still not blending all the way, so I'm just going to take that spray and spray it on the bun, the extension part, just so that the colors blend together a little better. So if you can't find a perfect match with whatever color spray you get, you can just also spray the spray on the extension so that you get a more seamless blend. And here is the final result. I really like the way that this came out. Although it wasn't red, the color ended up being really pretty and I got a really good color payoff. So yeah, the only downside to this is that the spray is pretty messy and it does transfer. I wore a white jacket that day and like I completely demolished the collar of that jacket. But other than that, I do think that it is a cute an easy alternative if you do want to color your hair but you don't want to damage it or add any type of chemicals to it. I think this is a great alternative. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you ladies next time. Bye.